Well, I never thought I'd see a Dior model waxing the floor. How about a nice cup of char?
Char?
Tea.
Yes.
Oh, this foreign tea looks too weak to crawl up the spout. Oh, it must be so thrilling wearing all those lovely clothes in front of people like Princess Margaret.
Oh, scrubbing the floor is a much more honest job than making a lot of money prancing about in expensive dresses like a moving clothes peg.
Horse, clothes horse.
Yes, clothes horse.
I bet you've got plenty of men asking you out.
Yes, but for those sort of rich men, I am only a toy, a decoration. They think it is so smart to have a model from one of the top fashion houses sitting beside them. It gives them a cachet, a show-off, like a new Ferrari or a big cigar.
Oh?
I come from a small farm near Lyon. For me, I would be so happy in a place of my own like this, with my children, ready to greet my husband when he comes back from work.